Hello students, fourth exercise before up to 5 Romans completed. Now sixth question, find the values of x and y. Following figures, see this first figure, here 70 degrees, x degrees, y degrees. Here they given one of the condition, two sides equal. Means this is isosceles triangle. In that if two sides are equal, then opposite angles also equal. Means this side opposite angle y, this side opposite angle x, means x degrees equal to y degrees. These two equal means x equal to y. See this answer. Here in isosceles triangle, opposite two sides are equal, then opposite angles also equal. Means now 70 degrees plus x degrees plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180. Here x equal to y, means replacing x by y, means 70 plus x, angle y also x. Two angles are equal to 180 degrees. Now 70 plus x, 2x equal to 180. Then 2x equal to 180 minus 70 plus 70 standard side minus 70. 2x equal to 180 minus 70, 110. X equal to 110 by 2. Here 2 is there, multiply standard side, it will change it to divide. Here 110 by 2, we get 55 degrees. Now x equal to, therefore x equal to 55 degrees. Next, second one. See this second diagram. X degrees, here two sides are equal, means isosceles triangle. Two sides equal, then opposite angles also equal. Here x degrees, exterior angle. Here interior, here y degrees, here 50 degrees. Means these two sides are equal, opposite angle also equal. This side opposite angle 50 degrees, this side opposite angle y degrees. Means here 50, y also 50. Now x, see this answer. Here opposite angle, here 50 degrees, here y plus also 50 degrees. Now this x equal to exterior angle. One exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of interior angles, opposite angles. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Means x degrees equal to 50 degrees plus 50 degrees, means y plus 50, y also here 50 degrees. Now x equal to 100 degrees, x equal to 100 degrees. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. But here y means here according to given condition two sides equal, then opposite angles also equal. This side opposite angle here, this side opposite angle here, means y also 50. Now one exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Now x equal to 100 degrees. Here third question, they given one of the triangle. Here x degrees, here y degrees, here 30 degrees. Means according to here observe, opposite angles are equal. And another one here two sides equal. That opposite angle also equal. Here x degrees, here also x degrees. See this answer. Here y means opposite angles are equal. Means outside angle 30 degrees, y also 30. Opposite angles are equal. Means angle y equal to 30 degrees. And based on this condition, two sides equal, then opposite angles also equal. Means this side opposite angle here, this side opposite angle here, means here 30 degrees, here also 30 degrees. Now x means 30 degrees plus 30 degrees plus x equal to 180 degree, means sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Here 30 plus 30 60 plus x equal to 180, x equal to 180 minus 60, 180 minus 60 we get 120, x equal to 120 degrees. Here angle y equal to 30 degrees, angle x equal to 120 degrees. Then opposite angles are equal, two sides are equal, then opposite angles also equal. Another condition, opposite angles are equal here, means angle y equal to 30 degrees, x equal to 120 degrees. Here 30, 30, 60. Here we know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. 180 minus 60 we get 120. Fourth question. Here x degrees, y degrees, exterior angle 110. Here linear pair. Here linear pair means 180 degrees. 180 minus 110 we get 70. Here 70 degrees. Why? These two sides are equal, then opposite angles also equal, means here y degrees, here also y, means here 70, 70, 70, here 40. See this answer. Here y plus 110 equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Here linear pair. Now y equal to 180 minus 110 we get 70. Y equal to 70 degrees. Means we know that sum of three angles of a triangle 180 degrees. Means here 70, here 70, here 70, 70, 140. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle 180 degrees. 180 minus 140 we get 40. X equal to 40 degrees. Fifth diagram. Here 90 degrees, x 90, 30. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Or here y plus 30. Here observe, this is linear pair 180 degrees. Means first find angle y plus 30 equal to 180 degrees. That is linear pair. Linear pair. Means then y equal to 180 minus 30 degrees. 180 minus 30, 150 degrees. Y equal to 150. Now in triangle total, x plus 30 plus 90. Here 90 degrees, here 30, here x equal to 180 degrees. X plus 120 equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 30, 120. X equal to 180 minus 120. X equal to 60 degrees. X equal to 60 degrees. Y equal to 150 degrees. Sixth question. Here 80 degrees. Opposite angles are equal, means here also 80 degrees. Then here x degree, outside exterior angle y degrees. Again here condition observe, two sides equal. Then opposite angles also equal. Means here x degrees, here also x degrees. See this answer. Here take A, here also x. Two sides equal, then opposite angles also equal. Here vertically opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Now A equal to 80 degrees. In that place A equal to 80 degrees. Here opposite angles. Opposite angles. Now here we know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. X plus A equal to 180. x plus a means 80 degrees equal to 180 degrees. X plus x means 2x plus 80 equal to 180 degrees. 2x equal to 180 minus 80. 2x equal to 100. X equal to 100 by 2. Now x equal to 50 degrees. Here 50. This total linear pair means x plus y equal to 180 degrees. X means 50. 50 plus y equal to 180 degrees. That is linear pair. Linear pair. Here observe this total straight angle form here. Linear pair. X plus y equal to 180 degrees. X means 50 degrees. 50 plus y equal to 180 degrees. Then y equal to 180 minus 50. Y equal to 130 degrees. Y equal to 130 degrees.